one is good like doing like this is that yung sa pag grill nila sa Hong Kong, yung
The Mexican one is quite a bit thicker.
no,
It's like
dun lang sa
4
salad.
thick.
Hey.
What are you eating?
What is that?
Hot pot.
Hot water. Yeah, this is how you do your hot pot, right?
Are you talking about
Yeah. Put in a boiling water with seasonings and
I
stuff.
even do hot pot. I'm not even Asian.
Yeah. Then you have to let it boil. And when it's boiled, you have to cook.
I do not really want
And then you have to do this dip. This is your dip for each bowl. Once you got this one, and then it's cooked, you have to put it in your own bowl, and that is your dip.
Oh, you can make a video of it.
Yeah. And this is the best dip ever. Okay. So once those are done, you have to just like scoop it and put in your bowl.
You should make a video of this so you can get any views.
What yan?
And then you have to put it like this and cover it.
Water or something.
Huh? No, there should be enough water in there.
So you put it in the water.
Yeah, and then you have to cover it. Oh, this one is hard. Yeah. Put it in the middle. But this corn here are good. Last time ito mga corn ito. Who wants some corn? One corn. Corn?
So that's beef? What?
Yeah.
This is, yeah.
Slices of beef from the Mexican store, right?
Yeah.
They give it a real thin slice.
We have one here. Okay, we'll cover it a little bit. Yeah. Oh, there's two more corn there. Okay, cover it a little bit.
Kinuha ko na lahat.
Yan. Ano ito?
Na, 5 million views ako nito. Di ba uso to ngayon? O, lalo ngayon na. Matagal uso to.
If I'm honored, I gotta get a licensing agreement. I'm a star.
Pag winter ban, sige,
Pag maka 5 million views ako na.
libre tayo dito yan sa Las Vegas.
Vegas tayo.
Oh, tingnan mo, Marik, saan yung ano niya?
Parang hindi ko tayo magkatugan.
Tingnan mo sa 20. Ito, 400.
5,000. It seems like it's been a while. We haven't seen you.
We always go to their house. Kasi maganda mag-ano sa kanila. Malaki ang bahay. Malaki ang bahay niya. We went there for Christmas. Pag ano, doon kami sa bahay niya kasi malaki.
Maganda
We were
ba?
up at the airport yesterday.
Ban.
And then you have to put it like this. And cover it.
Water or something.
Huh? No, there should be enough water in there.
So you put it in the water.
Yeah, and then you have to cover it. Oh, this one is hard. Yeah. Put it in the middle. But these corn here are